morning, student. Today we are going to learn around the word app, in which we will see how to use the list control. So let's start. Click on create app. Okay. Then as you know, click on start new project to start the new project. Okay. Click on continue. As we are going to start the new project, so give the project name world. Okay. Then this is the screen, so adjust the screen property, align horizontal center and align vertical top. Okay. Then take a layout, vertical arrangement, adjust the layout property to center. Okay, then go to user interface, take one button, then take three labels. Take this label inside the vertical arrangement and take one button. Oh, it's going outside. Okay, then for button 1 we are going to insert one image, so upload the image. Again I will choose. Okay, then upload this image to the button. Oh, this image is too big, just adjust the property. Delete the text because on image we don't want any text. Okay, so this is our image. Width I will keep fill parent. Okay, we will adjust so it looks better. Okay, then for label 1, type instruction to use. Change the background color of label orange. Make it bold, italic. Then for label 2, type touch the globe. Touch the globe to receive information about countries. To receive information about countries and monuments. Change the background color. Make it bold and italic. Will increase the height. Oh, the width is too small. Okay, now it looks better. Now click on third label and type. Don't type anything, just erase the text and apply background color to pink. Okay, and for button 2, just type refresh. Make it bold, italic. Change the background color to green. Okay, so this is all about our designing part. Now take one more component, that is text to speech invisible component. Okay, so designing part get over. Now click on the blocks. Adjust the screen. When button 1 will click, so take this block. When button 1 will click, then what to happen when we click on the button, uh, if we click on the globe, that information get display on the label, that which we will keep the background color pink na, their information have to be displayed. So on label 3, just click on label 3 and take label 3 dot text. Set label 3 dot text. Here what to set, automatically we have to pick some atoms from the list. So take a block, pick a random atom from list. Okay, okay. Then again go to list. Just drag, make a list and attach it here. Okay. Click on this dark blue color and add atoms here. How much you want, just drag and add here. Okay, over. Now add the text blank box here. Here we will type all countries and monuments name. We are going to type here. Okay, so now we will type the monument's name. Before that we will call text to speech here. And we'll put a message. Result, sorry, label 3 dot text. So whatever will be speak, it will be display here. Then click on button 2. When button 2 will click, label 3 will be set text is equal to blank, means nothing will be there, it will be blank. Okay, label 3 having the result. Okay, now we will type one by one monuments and country name here. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. Europe. Okay, for second, Taj Mahal, Agra, India. For third, Wall of China. Then Statue of Liberty. Okay, here we type all the 7 wonders. You can add here also. Okay, this part is over. Now run this program. See, this is our designing part. Okay, and this is our coding part. In our coding part, there are two buttons. When the user will click on the first button, here we are using the list control. Any one atom from our list get pick and it will display on the label. And this button 2 is of refresh button. Okay, means refresh buttons means what happen, the label 3 which display result na, it will get blank. Okay, again the user will choose the new atom from the list. Okay, now we'll go to the designer part and we'll run this program. Just build an app. Okay, we'll download this. Click on OK. Click on open. Just one. Install. Click on open. We'll see how the app will look like. Just click on the app. Have you seen one image here? Just touch the image. Okay.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy, Europe.
Okay. Again touch
The
on the
Great
image.
Pyramid of Giza. Hanging Garden of Babylon. The Great Pyramid of Giza.
Okay, in this way this app is going to work. If you will click on the refresh, the label will be blank. Okay, again touch on the screen.
Statue of Liberty, The Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Eiffel Tower, Paris, France.